Thanksgiving Day, we're gonna go for a ride on the Tmax. We are on the Yamaha Tmax, and today is Thanksgiving Day. Very easy to maneuver. I mean, a 500cc motorcycle equivalent might be harder for a beginner, but you know, this is not a beginner bike per se, because it is expensive, it is sought after, and what people do with the Tmax is that they modify it so it has quite a bit of pep. Hey buddy. That guy didn't even wave. He's like, ooh, that's a scooter. Yeah, that's the Tmax. 500cc twin cylinder, and it's got like an extra cylinder in there that balances the engine. Pretty neat. Like when you remove the clutch, you'll get that. But just looking around, this is a sport scooter. Handles well, and of course the headlights, I removed that glare. Yeah, it's looking much better. The windscreen, okay, maybe that didn't work out quite as I had hoped. What Motorola USA suggests is that I should just remove it and paint it black, and I think he's onto something. Are straight out of like an R1. It's like an R1 styled front brakes, and the brakes on this bike are phenomenal. They're really good. And you have a 15-inch and then a 15-inch in the rear, and that is pretty darn good. I think the only larger scooter wheels I've seen are 16s, and that was on the SH150. I still have some work to do on the bike. It's not perfect, got a big gash on it, but I'll fix that pretty soon. And the plastic is not in great shape, especially like this section here. You know, this bike just sat outside and got weathered. I mean, this thing is just, you know, it's got some cracks. It's definitely limited life on it. Blue is a little bit more understated than the yellow and black, but I kind of feel that the yellow and black lends itself well to this bike. Just switch from the Majesty to this for the front. I kind of wish that Yamaha did a little bit of a modification on it. And the rear brake is really strong. I kind of wish that this bike had ABS, because it's very easy to lose traction in the rear. But I think that has more to do with the rear tire, the condition of it. Well guys, that's the ride on the Yamaha Tmax. I have a problem with the sound, so I'm going to do a voiceover. The bike is riding absolutely perfectly. It pulls really well. The weight on this bike is so much lower to the ground than most bikes. The engine is almost completely flat. The radiator is like right next to it. The transmission is super low to the ground. You're sitting on the gas tank. This creates a great balance while riding this bike. So hopefully I'm going to fix up my microphone on my GoPro, and then I'll be able to talk more about it. I did create a video that suggested quite a bit of this, but unfortunately I also can't ride it very hard because of the rear tire is absolutely done. I need to order a new tire and install it, because this one, the rubber is hard on it and it's about to give out at any point. But I've done a lot to it. I am very happy with the bike. We'll be doing a video on how much money I actually spent on it. It's kind of scary. I'm not including the labor, of course. But today was a Thanksgiving ride. I hope you guys enjoy your dinners, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.